As a physics student, I don't know why you would ever miss a question on dimension. Please come closer, let me teach you and say bye-bye to the problem. Now, you can be given a question, find the dimension of pressure. It can be as simple as this, it can be as simple as any other thing, okay? Now, solution. You have to just understand that when we are talking about dimension analysis, is that anything that looks like length, what are they? It can be in form of distance, it can be in form of displacement. So far, it is length. That is displacement. Sorry. These are a form of length. You understand? Anything that looks like that, we represent it with what? With capital L. That is what dimension is saying. Mass, we represent it with what? Big M. And when we talk about time, we represent it what? With big T. What do we say? In dimension, you're only picking the first letter, length L, mass M, and T. This is not the unit, oh. This is dimension. If they ask you for the unit of time, the SI unit is seconds. The SI unit of mass in physics is kilogram. The SI unit of length is meter. Despite the fact that there can be other units of length, like kilometer, centimeter, decimeter, but the SI unit is meter. But this is dimension. Dimension is just picking the first letters, right? Good. Now let's go. You have to understand the what's it called? The formula to be able to get it. Now, pressure, you know that pressure is given to be force over area. Once you understand this, I mean, you should not miss this now. Why will you miss this kind of question? Now, look at the force is what? It's going to be mass times acceleration, abi, over area. Right? Now, from here, it is easy. So let me I need to say this because people don't know that distance and displacement is a form of length. So that's why I need to write it. So just still stick to what we said so that we can continue. Length. That's what. Now from here, you can see that pressure, this is mass, abi, which is, we said it is related with capital M. Now, acceleration, right? Acceleration is given as what? Velocity. Velocity over what? Velocity over time. That's what acceleration is. And don't forget that velocity itself is what? Is displacement over time. Over time. That is what displacement. So can you see where it started from? It started from here to here. Then you can see. Now that means I can tell you that velocity, acceleration itself, you know, don't forget to displacement over time is acceleration, and velocity itself is velocity over time is acceleration, and velocity itself is displacement over time. So from here you can see how we link up to this and how this becomes acceleration. Okay, now that means if I know that if I want to get the unit of acceleration, A is meter per second, which is the unit of velocity, over time, which is seconds. So from here, I can say that acceleration is what? Meter per second square. Now, anything that looks like meter, what do I tell you that we do? So mass times acceleration. Acceleration is what? Meter per second square. Because it looks like meter, it becomes length. Now, this is time. We will not use S because this is unit. So it becomes T raised by what? -2. Now, don't forget, all over area. Area is what? Meter squared. And don't forget, it's a form of length. So it becomes L squared. So from here, I can do my manipulation and get my answer. What will I do? This is very easy. So this becomes big M. One L can go away and with this. Then I still have T -2 all over L. Abi? So don't forget, this thing is mathematics. I can just make it make sense. It becomes M L. Because it's over, it becomes -1, T -2. So this is the dimension of pressure. So easy. So I will ask you a question in the comment section. Tell me the dimension of speed. What will be the dimension of speed in the comment section? I'll be checking. Just drop the dimension of speed. You know that speed is what? Distance over time. So you might not be able to write. If you are unable to do this, just put it in a way that we know it. that you got the answer. So speed is distance over time and it's a scalar quantity. While velocity is a what? It's a vector quantity. V for V, S for S. Distance is scalar, speed is scalar, V is vector, V for V, then displacement is vector. That's another JAMB question.